Are you ready?
Yep.
On your mark, get set, go! Did you win?
Yep.
Okay, do it again.
And go over here. See with that bottom. I'm ready.
What are you doing with your legs right there?
I'm dancing.
Oh, you're dancing before the big race?
Yeah.
Can you shake your butt for me?
It's time for the food on me. And I'm ready.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go!
I think they're in the middle.
I think you won. Say hi to Nolan. He's having a little party all by himself.
Want to see that again?
Eli, did you turn the router off?
What?
Did you turn the router off? Or the modem at all? We're getting no data.
No, this way. This went that way.
Nolan, say hi.
Where's it cold?
Back to Eli. Okay, warm up. You gonna sing a little Lady Gaga for me?
No.
How about Poker Face?
No.
Alright, do a little dance.
No. See the mark.
How about a little ma Poker Face?
No.
Why not? That's your favorite song.
I know, but I hear that on the radio. And this one dance.
You just wanted to. Who dances to no music? Alright, you ready?
Music on.
Are you ready?
This is like that before you do an action.
On your mark, get set, go!
Looks like you just run into the ottoman.
Yeah, I did.
And back to Nolan. He hasn't changed much.
Whoa, whoa.
If you're wondering what Julian's doing, I'll show you.
I'm ready.
Here's Julian. He ate a 6-ounce bottle at 4 weeks old.
Ready, set, go.
That's why he has 3 chins and he's passed out.
Ready, set, go, okay?
Ready, set, go. Okay.
And he's smiling at the angels.
You count.
Count what?
Count that while we're waiting, okay?
Count while you're racing?
Yeah.
Okay, Jules, we'll see you later.
Night.